Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use edge panels or sidebar in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to use edge panel or sidebar, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app and here just go for display option, and from here you must have to scroll down and look for edge panel. Just tap on it. Then you have to make sure that you have enabled it first and you will get the sidebar. I have made it maximum, but you can easily manage it. Just tap on handle, and from here you can easily select the size or width of your edge panel, as here the thin and the thick width, and here's the smaller or larger size, and here's the transparency. You can easily control that. Once you have that, here's different colors. Once you have that, now you have to select position, and you can easily select the position for your edge panel. And here's the panels option. Just tap on it, and from here you can easily select panels, as I'm going to select tools from here. Now you must have to scroll it and you will get your panel here, and here are your tools. You can easily use your different tools from here. Just tap on three dots and you can change your tool. So that's how you can easily use edge panel or sidebar in your any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.